Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can buy a PayPal gift card online step by step. So first, just open your browser and go to the official PayPal gift cards store by visiting the paypal.com/us/gifts. So this is where you'll find hundreds of digital gift cards so you can purchase using your PayPal account. So from here, you can browse through the available options like Amazon, Apple, Xbox, Roblox, DoorDash, and more. So you can click on the gift card that you want to purchase and then choose the amount for the gift card, for example, $25 or $50. Then after that, just click on Add to Cart. Then now you can log into your PayPal account to complete the purchase. And once you're logged in, you can review your order, then click on Pay Now. Then the payment will be processed instantly using your PayPal balance or linked payment method. Then after the purchase, you will receive your digital gift card in your email. So usually within a few minutes. So you just have to make sure to check your inbox and spam folder just in case. And that's it. You've successfully bought a gift card using PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!